So it's really important to think about safety when you're out shopping for your PoE switch. You're hooking up these devices, whether they're cameras or printers or access points, that can be anywhere from $100 to a couple $1,000. We don't want to plug that couple $1,000 device into a PoE switch that doesn't have any safety features and is going to potentially damage your device. And that kind of damage is generally not covered by any kind of warranty. If you plug in your $10,000 multifunction printer and it catches on fire, the printer company is not going to replace it for you. You need to go buy another $10,000 printer. Two really important security features that are offered on all BV switches are going to be power detection and surge protection. Power detection protects you from, if you plug in a device that doesn't require PoE or doesn't require as much power as the port you plugged it into, it's only going to send what it needs. So if you plug in a device that's not a PoE device, no electricity is going to go through that line. If you plug in a device that only requires 15 watts of power into a port that provides 90, it's still only going to send 15. This protects your device from any kind of power issues internally. The second one is the surge protection. This helps if any kind of power issues outside of your network, if the building's struck by lightning, if there's some sort of other surges in your wires, the switch is not going to send that surge through to your device, which would destroy it. If you're an installer and you are looking to pick up a PoE switch for a job that you have to do, things you're going to want to know are, one, what kind of power are you required? The power per device and your overall power budget. You just need to look at the wattage of each individual device and do some quick napkin addition, come up with a number, and then we can help meet you there with that. Another thing you're going to want to know is what your data requirements are going to be. PoE switches come in different speeds or bandwidths. So if you need devices and you only need like a device that does 10 megabits per second, we don't want you to pay for one that does 1,000 megabits per second. That's not for you. But if you need 1,000, I definitely don't want to give you the one that does 10. So you want to make sure that you know what you need in that realm. We offer switches that can work in just about any environment. So we have industrial grade switches that can work in temperatures of below 100 degrees, all the way up to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So any kind of manufacturing situation, this is a great solution for that. In the last few years, the government's passed a lot of laws regarding networking devices and anything that's on your network, and in certain installations, your devices, anything that's plugged in the network, has to be certified to be NDAA compliant. It's a National Defense Administration rule. A lot of companies, especially in this price point, do not offer you anything that's NDAA compliant. Most people are going to pay 2 to 3 times more to get something that is NDAA compliant. We have quite a few options though that are in the same price range that will get you that compliance that you can use in any kind of building that has federal contracts or any kind of government type building. When you're out there and you're buying a switch, you're buying a network switch, PoE switch for any purpose, you could definitely go and pick one up off a shelf from someplace, right? The benefit that you get with BV is that we're here to support you in whatever it needs. You can call us before you make a purchase and we can walk you through what you need, what you're looking for, what's going to be the best solution for you in your budget. You can call us afterwards if you're having trouble setting it up, or you're not sure if you did something right and you want us to troubleshoot it. And if there's any issues, any problems, you can give us a call and we can get you a replacement. We offer a 2-year warranty, covers anything that could really go wrong with the product, and it's just a phone call away to get it taken care of. You just call us up, tell us the model number. We need to ship you out one right away so that there's no downtime, or there's limited downtime for you. We want to get you taken care of and set back up.